Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Concept Reporting. Here we are learning programming using the visual text, simple diagrams, easy English, and real world examples. So today we are going to learn our first very concept. What is HTML? The HTML is a hypertext markup language. Is a standard language used to create the structure of web pages. So how a website is built? Think of like for example, I will give you one question like how every website using Google, Facebook, Amazon and all. So every website starts with one important technology, that is HTML. Like, oh, this is a website. How website builds, like it is using the structure. So built in with HTML. It provides the basic structure of pages. And for this website we use the CSS for the designing portion. So using the controls, colors and fonts and layouts and looks for using the CSS. So coming to the JavaScript, so JavaScript is behaving like the backend. If you click any button, filling any form, input field, so those kind of we are using the JavaScript. So for example, in the real world scenario, so if we start constructing the house, so for the house we need one structure. So that is the HTML, and for the CSS, after completing our house, so we have to apply the colors, some interior portions. That's why we are using the CSS. So, and for the JavaScript, we are adding the electricity bulbs, switches, any kind of inside the walls. So that's we called as the functions and interactivity. So here you can see the code structure. See, for example, this is the basic structure of the HTML. So this declare type HTML declares the document type of the version of HTML. You can see here, this is the simple diagram. So in the header, we can add the one title, what which one you can see. So this is the takeaways, key takeaways. HTML is the backbone of every web page. So you can see here. Yeah. So this is our very first video. So today we learned HTML create the structure of every web page. So how CSS used and how JavaScript using the functionality. So these three technologies works together to create the modern websites. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Concept of Robotic. So in the next lesson, so we will learn our basic structure of HTML document. Until then, keep learning, keep building. And remember our tagline, one concept, one visual. Thank you.